What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a red day, and it fought all day. Unfortunately, I didn't have much internet, so I wasn't there watching. But we're going to still analyze that. We're going to take a look at the weekly and the monthly, if I remember. And we're going to take a look at other aspects of the market, because other aspects of the market are actually looking kind of bullish. Of the markets rather are looking kind of bullish. And we're going to top it off looking at Toshi. If you didn't know, Toshi has been moving like I thought it would, and recently it started dropping. So we'll take a look at to see if now is a good time to get in, or when. We're going to take a look at some price points on that. And so without further ado, let's do this. All right, and so today Bitcoin, Sunday started dropping, and then Monday continued to drop, and it went as low as 97,600, a little higher than that, 97,808, right? Just below this line, and then throughout the whole day wicked all the way back up. It'll be interesting to see very shortly. Normally I make videos in the morning. Today's in the evening. It'll be interesting to see very shortly, in I think a couple hours time, when this candle closes, if it closes at least above this line, which would be 101,000. If it doesn't, it could signal that we do spend some time right around here, in the possible 98,000 range, just above this line, the lower part of this channel, which I have been mentioning. Okay, and let's see what happens there. Let's see what close that says. Now it could be that tomorrow this continues, right? But I'd like to see it go above 104,800. If it doesn't go above that, then we're really just going to stay right around there, below 104,000 and above 98,700. Just this little area right here. Probably the rest of this week. Well, at least the first few days of this week, and then from there, let's see what decision it makes, what direction it goes. And I think it just closed. Okay, so it did close right at the line, huh? That's interesting. Yeah, see, it's a new candle right now. So this closed just like that. If that is in fact the case, well, it is in fact the case. Let's see if from here we bounce up tomorrow. Again, if that, I could see maybe a little bit of wick and then a body above, yeah, somewhere above this line, but probably below 104,000. If the show's strength, then again, I'd like to see a break above 104,000. I can see us then really trying to hit this the next couple of days above this line, 108,000. But if we can't even do that, then yeah, we either stay right below 104,000 and as low as 98,700. This line right here. Okay, let's see how that goes, guys. But here's something that gives me kind of like pause. That's bullish, right? And for the first time in a while, the DXY is looking bullish for Bitcoin, right? Because it's dropping. Finally, maybe this was in fact the bottom. Let's see. It's holding on to support at 107.025. Dow Jones moving up. Nasdaq, strangely enough, starting off like that, pretty. But let's see what happens tomorrow. Little red, but the S&P 500 more green. Okay, so let's see after the big move up, a few days in a row, all-time highs, and it did drop. Let's see what happens though. But at least today's a green day. 2-year bond and the 10-year bond looking like that. Okay, so maybe those are topped out. Maybe the DXY is topped out, and that's extremely bullish. Okay, that the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones, and the S&P 500 are near all-time highs, within spitting distance of all-time highs. That's also bullish. Let's see what happens. So could be that we do break above 105 because of those other things that I'm looking at. But it would be ideal. I'd like to see it come back up. But I mean, right now, my bias would be that we kind of just stay below 104 and yeah, hang out between 104 and 98,700. Tomorrow, the next day. We'll see though. We'll see. Everything else does say bullish. So I mean, it could be that I'm completely wrong. Tomorrow we're like at 108,000, and then the day after that we're like 112. Hopefully, we'll see. All right, now let's talk about Toshi. That's all I want to say about Bitcoin. We're just gonna focus on Toshi, and then that's what we're gonna call it. Okay, Toshi. After this big move up, right? After this big move up, this thing got close to $1 billion in market cap. Okay, close to $1 billion in market cap, and I think maybe, just maybe, this was the local top right now at 0023, and from there, I think we could. Today we went below the 6618. We fought back. It could be that we hang out right here for a little while. before this thing starts dropping some more. I think ideally you'd want to catch it at 3097, and maybe, just maybe, it could go as low as the 786, 3060. Honestly, that wouldn't be out of it wouldn't be crazy, to be honest with you, because I mean, Toshi does go up and come back down, go up, come back down. This is all-time high territory. Okay, it is listed in a bunch of exchanges. Coinbase got listed on Coinbase. That's the main reason for this pump, and now a lot of eyes are on Toshi. Okay, so I mean, we'll see. However, these memes go up and then they do pull back to the 618, to the 786, and it's already touched the 786. But I think right now it's the beginning of distribution, guys. So I would wait a couple of days, wait it out to see if you can catch it at 618. Okay, minimum try to catch it at 618, 3097 before you get in. All right, and then ideally, if it does get down there, maybe set some orders in or something. 30599 or close to it, right? 3063 right around here would be awesome. And then I think from here it would base and eventually start moving up. I think Toshi's going to go to tens of at least 10 billion market cap, maybe 10, 20, or maybe even 30. We'll see. So I think it definitely has some more upside. Definitely, if this is in fact consolidation, and it could consolidate for a while, a couple of weeks, a month, who knows. If that is the case, this is the exact time where you want to start nibbling, start buying, positioning yourself for the next leg up. All right, not when it's doing this. But now that it's looking like maybe it's consolidating, okay, we'll see in the next couple of days how low it goes. Hopefully it goes a little lower for people that want to position themselves. I ideally would like to as well. Let's see what happens. I think it has some downside and some sideways consolidation to go. So if you are been looking for a chance to get in, if you waited out a couple of days, I think you will probably have a really good buying opportunity. Again, 618 and the 786. Okay, cool. We're gonna leave it there, guys. I think go back to Bitcoin really quick, see what it's doing. Yeah, let's see. I'm not convinced that we don't drop a little bit more. But again, I think we stay in this channel. I don't think we really get out of this channel. I mean, look at the wicks. Look at the wicks. That does show strength. Okay, look at the wick of today. That does show strength. And this is the Tuesday. Okay, so we'll see what this looks like tomorrow morning. But again, we'd have to get above 104,000. Okay, cool. Guys, if you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel, and all that stuff really does help. With all that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.
Clubs, drugs, pubs, and parties.